What's up? It's RDP with RDP Outdoors. So you guys know that we've been in Mexico for like the last 2 weeks. So it's been about 2.5 weeks since we've been out here. But I've been getting a lot of footage from the cellular trail cams, and we got a raccoon problem. So in order to fix that, before I put some cages up, because here's the reason why I didn't want to go with cages right now. Since I already have these out here, and these drums are pretty thick, I did not want to come out here and not be able to have a drill that could punch through the bottom of them. So I decided to try these shark teeth. So we got some installed on the feeder that's down there, you can't see, and we're gonna install these. They come with 3 self-tapping screws. I think they're sheetrock screws. But if you have a drill, like a cordless drill, a Phillips head on it, they go in pretty easy. So what we're doing is we're putting the 3 screws in on each row of teeth, and then I'm following that up with the 2 zip ties, but I'll show you guys. All right, guys, so like I said, it comes with screws already. If you got a cordless drill, this is really easy. So one at the top, one at the bottom, and I think it's the 4th screw hole down, put you pretty much in the middle, and they go in pretty fast. You want to make sure your hands out the way so you don't, so nothing slips and hits that. So we got the 3 screws in, and the next thing we'll do is we'll get a few zip ties that we brought out here just to reinforce it. So what I'm doing is find a place in between the top screw and the middle screw. Be careful because I cut my finger on the last one down here. These things are really sharp. So find a place between that middle and last screw, and then just put it in there, tighten it up. That's just going to enforce it, because we know those raccoons are some smart critters, and they'll figure out a way around this. So we'll find a space between the middle and the last screw, which is about here. There's another screw hole here that I may come back with some more screws at some point, so I don't want to block it. Just tighten it up. Tighten it up. Clip it off. And you're good to go. All right, guys, so we got them all installed. As you can see here, what we did was, you kind of got to guesstimate where you want these things at. So in the footage that I've been getting, the raccoons that have been coming have been standing up roughly here and reaching up, to the feeder stand pole here. So I tried to put them in a place to where if they try to reach up, or even if they jump up, right, don't catch them, or if they're trying to reach from here to get over here, this will be hopefully a deterrent for them. So we put the 3 self-tapping screws in, and then we reinforced it with some zip ties here to keep it sturdy. So hopefully this will work. I'll let you guys know as soon as I get some footage, but we did this to all 3 legs as well as the ones down on the other end, and we are good to go. I'm gonna test the feeder out, make sure that it's spinning the way that I want it to, and it's leveled off the way that I want it to, and then we're gonna head back to Houston. But if you guys are thinking about getting these, or you have them already, man, let me know how they're working for you, and if you need an idea of how easy they were to install. It probably took 30 seconds, 45 seconds, a minute to get these installed. I do recommend gloves. I cut my finger on the last one, so wear some gloves because these are pretty sharp, and we'll see how it goes. I mean, if it doesn't work, then I'll have to put some cages up. But I mean, if you live out, if you're hunting and out in the wilderness, raccoons are gonna figure out a way. We just want to deter them so we're not wasting so much corn. But I'll catch up with you guys later.